Hi guys, today I made a rock, paper, scissors game and I wanted to show you how it works. So let's get started. So, the first line is print hello, today you will be playing the rock, paper, scissors game with the computer. Let us begin. Why I didn't put let's begin is because I had to put a single quote to do let's, and in Python a single quote or a double quote is equal to a string, so I couldn't use let's. So I just put let us begin. So now on the next line, it's input random as R. So random name is now R. So and then the next line is computer pick. A computer pick is a variable. So and a variable is equal to R dot randint one the numbers 1 through 3. Randint is basically random int, so it's gonna do a random, number because int is a number. So on the next line is user input, user pick, which is input. Why I didn't put int input is because rock, paper, and scissors is a word. Are words. Rock, paper, and scissors are words. So they're not numbers. So I put input instead of int input. And then the next line is pick e- if user pick is equal to rock. Well, I didn't write if user pick is equal to rock because that's just giving user pick a value, which means that it's going to be an error because this is an if statement. And another reason is because this is user input. So you can't give that value. This is just if that happened. So it's going to do if it equals rock, and then and, which means combining this also. So then it's computer pick is equal to 1. Well, if computer pick is equal to 1, so 1 is rock, and then 2 is paper, and then 3 is scissors. So so if this happened, this is going to turn into rock. We're going to turn number 1 into rock, so it's going to print the computer picked rock, so it's a draw because the user also picked rock. And then I put a by greeting, and then I put another if statement. User pick is equal to paper. If user pick is equal to paper, and computer pick is equal to 2, and 2 is paper also, so it's going to print the computer picked paper, so it's a draw because paper against paper is a draw. And then the exact same by greeting, and then elif user pick is equal to scissors, and computer pick is equal to 3, which means that, well, 3 is equal to scissors, so scissors against scissors is a draw, so it says the computer picked scissors, so it's a draw. And then the exact same by greeting, and then it's Elif. I started at rock again because scissors was the end of the draws, and now I started with the U wins. So the second one is the U wins. So Elif user pick is equal to rock, and computer pick is equal to 3, and 3 is scissors, while rock is rock, and rock can crush scissors. So the user won because he crushed the scissors. And then the exact same by greeting, and then elif user pick is equal to paper, and computer pick is equal to 1, and 1 is rock, and paper can cover up rock, so the user won. The computer picked rock, so you win. And then the exact same by greeting, and then elif user pick is equal to scissors, and computer pick is equal to 2, and 2 is paper, so scissors against paper. Scissors can cut the paper, so the user would win. And then the exact same by greeting, and then elif user pick is equal to rock, and computer pick is equal to 2. 2 is paper, so paper can cover up rock, so it's a you lose. And then 3 scissors against paper. Scissors can cut paper, and it's a you lose. And rock against scissors. rock and crush paper. So it's a you lose. So if I thought you guys wondered how this would work, like if I tested it. So let's test it. Well, okay. So it's gonna say, "Hello. Today you will be playing the rock paper scissors game with the computer. Let us begin." And now it's saying, "Enter rock paper scissors." I'm gonna enter rock. The computer picked rock, so it's a draw. Okay. It was fun playing with you. If you want to play again, make sure to click the run again button. Well, there is no run again button. There's only a run button. Well, why I put run again is because if you click on this open a new tab button, you can get it on your like whole screen. It's just gonna load a little. Now, when you write rock, it says the computer also picked rock, and then it says click on the run again if you want to play again, and then here's the run again button, and that'll do the exact same stuff. So yeah, that is what happens when you test it. If you test it again and you pick something else than rock, it might not be a draw this time. Might not. It's installing packages, and then paper, and it's a you win because the computer picked rock. So yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. Well, I'm making another game on how to like make some drawings in Python to impress your friends. Okay, see you in that video. Bye.